Hello, today I will be comparing Famiworths single serve coffee maker with milk frozen versus the Mecity, a coffee maker mini single serve coffee machine compatible with K-cup capsule. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's start. Type of coffee, Famiworths is better. Brewing capacity is Thai. Brew range control, Famiworths is winner. Hot and cold coffee, Famiworths is winner. Milk frozen, Famiworths is better again. Programmability is Thai. Is views, Famiworths is the winner. Wood reservoir is Thai. Cleaning, Famiworths is better. Footprint and design, Mecity is winner. Heating element is Thai. Build quality, Famiworths is winner. Special features, Famiworths is again better. Sustainability, Famiworths is better. Price, Mecity is the winner. What is better for? It depends on if you need. Coffee quality, Famiworths is the winner. And durability, again, Famiworths is the best. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Famiworths single serve coffee maker with milk frozen. The link to buy it is in the video description.